How's it going, guys? I am not in my car. I am far from home and I have a lot to explain. Carolina right now to pick up something for the Genesis. I'm sure by the title you'll probably already know what it is, but we're going to pick up a Widebody kit for the Genesis Coupe. We're getting a Monster Service V1 kit with the duckbill spoiler. I'm not sure if I will be using the duckbill spoiler, but that's what we're going to do right now. Pick up the camera whenever we get there and show you what it looks like. How's it going, guys? We are at Sheetz in somewhere in North Carolina. I've never been to a Sheetz before, but so far it's looked this hype. But we have secured the bag. We have secured the kit for the Genesis. As you can see, these are the front fenders right here. There's the duck spoiler. Rear fenders on the bottom. Here's the winglets for the bumpers. Got some banners, some stickers, hardwares, and that box right there. I think, hopefully. But yes, we have got the kit. We have got the kit, and we are about to head back home. Put it up next to the car and see how it looks. But I'm excited. But before we do that, we're gonna go get some food in Sheetz because, of course, it's Sheetz, so you've got to go try the food. I've never had it before. What is there to get at Sheetz? Huh? French fries?
Sandwiches. And like this.
This might be turning into a food. This might be turning into a food vlog very soon. I'm so excited. Got the freaking kit. Heck yeah. Steal of a deal. I can tell you all the information about like where I got it and how much I paid for it. If y'all are interested in that, just drop a comment below. There we go. I'm telling y'all are really not ready for the yellow 3.8 and what it's gonna become with this kit. Y'all are not ready for it. But we are sitting here, food vlog, Sheetz, hell yeah. Gotta get a burrito, and it's bussin'. Their fries are amazing. I wish they had Sheetz where I'm from, but unfortunately they don't. They have like QTs though. Those are pretty good. So we made it back. Did get the whole kit unboxed. It looks good. There are a couple spots that are cracked. I guess just from transporting the kit, but nothing too serious. Nothing that's gonna be seen in the car. Nothing really too much to worry about. But it looks great. I'll show you. I always forget that. Pick up the camera once I start doing stuff. But there's the passenger side fender. We'll go ahead and get in the car ready now for the Widebody to go on. I just want to see how it looks. So this fender is about to come off. 2 more bolts and it's off. And then I'll be able to see how it looks. What's up, guys? So sadly, I don't know if you can tell from the weather. It's about to rain, it's about to pour. So we had to take a pause on the progress for the Widebody kit. Hopefully I will have an install video coming up soon. But yeah, I guess I'll give you a little sneak peek. Oh, that's all you get. That's all you get. Like I said last time, please feel free to like, share, subscribe, comment, anything you want to see on the channel. Should have an exhaust video coming soon as well. I know I've been putting it off. Got a couple different videos I gotta make. I've just been so busy with class work and everything. I'm still in school. I'm a student at Clemson University in Clemson, South Carolina, and if y'all know where that is. But yeah, so
that's the progress on the Jenny so far. There she is. That's basically it. Good morning, guys. It is a whole new day. Probably the same video that I was recording yesterday. I know I said I want to do an install video, but the front fenders are pretty self-explanatory because it's just replacing the fender. I mean, I can go through the process of doing that. But we do have both the front fenders on. I guess I'll stop screwing you all over and show you what that looks like. We do have both the front fenders on, and it does look pretty damn good. I had to do some minor adjustments to make it work, but it does look pretty good. Got the banner for Monster Services. I'm about to throw on the rear, but other than that, this thing's looking great. Next step is paint, and then obviously we gotta get the rears on, but I will try to do a video of the rears install, and I can tell you, I mean, what you gotta do with the front. But yeah, that's the kit. Here's what I'm thinking for the banner. Put it somewhere right there. I know, I need to get my temper down the rear. Don't remind me. But that's what I'm thinking for the banner on the side. I do have another sticker. I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna put that one yet. But I've got some updates I need to let y'all know about since the previous video where my thermostat housing was cracked. Might have been 2 videos ago. Basically, after that, the saying goes that bad things happen in threes, so definitely saw that happen. Because I thought, okay, whatever. Thermostat housing's cracked. Get my old one. Be fine. Well, then, I was waiting on my new bulbs for my fog lights. I had just bought brand new fog lights. Smoked. Look great. With the carbon fiber fog light bezels. Never even used them because I never had LED bulbs and they looked like shit with the halogen bulbs. So I was like, okay, I'll just put them in and wait for my bulbs to come in. I'm sitting here waiting. Don't have the harness that goes and plugs into the bulbs, not connected. And somehow it ends up flying around the edge of the bumper and screwing up my wheels. The clip came from right behind there, swung around here, chewed up around my wheels, and then the harness got flung off. So all I had was 2 wires sitting down there, which was no fun, having to connect a new one there. But that's not even the worst. That's fine. I had a wiring kit for the fog lights when I bought them, so it wasn't difficult to wire up a new clip. But the real problem was this boy right here. That thing right there. Yeah, him. Well, I was driving on the highway, just going like 55, just cruising. Next thing I know, I hear a and I was like, what the hell? My buddy calls me, who's behind me, calling me. He says that something flew from underneath my car. This thing right here. Somehow was not connected. And after the harness broke, it decided it wanted to go too. He went under, flung outside off the car. And it wouldn't have even been that bad. I could have just turned around, picked it up. But it was on the highway. This highway in the city where I'm from, it's like probably about 4 miles, maybe a little bit longer. And I didn't know where it was because the buddy that called me and told me he couldn't remember, and I couldn't remember. We didn't have anything on video, so I didn't know where it was. Spent 4 hours walking down and back this highway in the heat of Augusta, Georgia. If anyone knows Augusta, Georgia is heat, you know what I'm talking about. And literally walked all the way down the road, all the way back. And when I got about half a mile back from my car, I found it. And I was soaking wet with sweat. I've been out there for as long as I can remember. And yeah, But luckily they weren't damaged. I was able to swap. The only thing that was damaged was the housing around where it actually mounts up to the bumper. But I had the housing from my previous fog lights that I was able to swap over and get it to work. But yeah, so that happened. That was gonna be a video. Didn't have time to make it. But it's all back together now. And it's not too bad. Still gotta do that exhaust video. I've got some clips prepared for it. But I know y'all are interested in the wide body, so I'm gonna try to keep this content going up. About to install the sticker right now though. But yeah, I just wanted to give you an update. Reason why I haven't been posting as much as I'd like to is because, like I said, I'm busy with schoolwork and college. Mechanical engineering major at Clemson University, and it takes up a lot of my time just in its own, and then my job as well. It takes up even more of it. But I should have a video coming up soon after this one, and then after that one should be an exhaust video, hopefully. And then after that one, we would have probably an install for the rears, getting everything mocked up. I need to get the car lowered, get new wheels. Not wheels. What am I talking about? The Widebody Kit. Mock up the Widebody Kit for the rear. Need to get new wheels. Need to get it lowered. We've got a couple stuff we've got to do, but it's coming along. It looks pretty damn good. I like the look of the Widebody Kit that I got. So I'll keep you all updated, but that'll probably be it for this video. So until next time, boom, check that out. Monster Service kind of plug.